Alright guys, just got home from work and there's a box sitting on my front porch. I know what this is. Well, I kind of know what this is. All I know is that this is car parts and we need to unbox it. Alright. There's nothing like coming home from work and there's car parts sitting on your front porch. Gotta love it. Alright, so I have a good idea of what is in this box. As we get all the car parts in, we'll go ahead and unbox them for you, but we're not even scratching the surface of what is coming in store to the channel. So as you guys know, Casey blew a head gasket in his EJ motor, you know, pretty typical stuff. His goal right now is 500 wheel horsepower, and this is just one of the many parts that are coming for his car. So right now he's on vacation, so he didn't want all the stuff to sit on his front porch, so he shipped it over to my house. But he wanted me to unbox it on camera for you guys, so just to show you guys all the stuff that we're getting. So let me just shut up and just let me get to the unboxing. This is going to be a really short video, by the way. Alright, so there it is. This is the AMS intake manifold for the STI. This is the one that Casey decided on for many different reasons. One of the big things about an aftermarket intake manifold is that it's going to give you a whole lot better top end power, which is something that Casey wanted, especially with the big turbo setup that he is going to get. But anyways, that is it. If you have any recommendations, comments, please post them down below, and we're still looking for you guys' recommendations for the big build. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.